It says the line with the equation 4 by 5x plus 1 by 3y is equal to 1 is graphed in the xy plane. What is the x coordinate of the x-intercept of the line? Let me write down the equation, which is 4 by 5x plus 1 by 3y is equal to 1. We can find the x-intercept by putting y is equal to 0. So put y is equal to 0 in equation 1. It will be 4 by 5x plus 1 by 3 into 0 is equal to 1. So 4 by 5x is equal to 1. X is equal to 5 by 4, which is 1.25. So that's the x-intercept when y is equal to 0. Let's move to the next question. Question 36 says, Andrew and Maria each collected 6 rocks and the masses of the rocks are shown in the table above. Here we have the table. In 2 rows, we have the masses of the rocks collected by Andrew and Maria. The mean of the masses of the rocks Maria collected is 0.1 kilogram greater than the mean of the masses of the rocks Andrew collected. What is the value of x? So here one of the information is missing. It says that the mean of the masses of the rocks Maria collected is 0.1 kilogram greater than the mean of the masses of the rocks Andrew collected. First of all, let me write down the formula for the mean. So mean is equal to total terms divided by the number of terms. Total terms divided by the number of terms. Mean for the Andrew is equal to the total terms divided by sum of the total terms divided by the number of terms. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms in total. So 2.4 plus 2.5 plus 3.6 plus 3.1 plus 2.5 plus 2.7 divided by 6. If we divide the sum of these with the 6, we will get 2.6. The mean is 2.6. Maria collected 0.1 kg greater than the mean mass of rocks Andrew collected. Implies mean mass of rock Maria collected is 0.1 kilogram greater than collected is equal to 2.8, which is the mean mass of Andrew, and this is 0.1 kilogram greater than the mean mass of the Andrew. So 0.1 is equal to 2.8 plus 0.1 is equal to 2.9. We need to find the value of x. So we will take it equal to the total mean mass of these terms plus x will be equal to 2.9 and also divided by 6. I'm gonna say x plus 3.1, 3.1, 2.7, 2.9. 3.1 plus 2.7 plus 2.9. 3.3 plus 2.8. 3.3 plus 2.8 divided by 6 is the mean mass of rock Maria collected. It will be equal to 2.9. So x plus the remaining amounts will be equal to 14.8. And if we multiply 2.9 with the 6, 2.9 multiplied by 6 will be equal to 17.4. So x is equal to 17.4 minus 14.8, which is equal to 2.6. So x will be equal to 2.6 as required. Let's move to the next question. So the question is, Jeremy deposited X dollars in his investment account on January 1st, 2001. The amount of the money in the account doubled each year until Jeremy had $480 in this investment account on January 1st, 2005. What is the value of X? Let the amount is equal to X, and the number of years is equal to 4, because from January 2001 to January 2005, it takes 4 years. So the number of years is equal to 4. Amount will be double for each year. And after 4 years, it will be equal to 480. Amount doubles each year. And after 4 years, amount will be equal to $480. We can present it into the equation that X amount will be double for 4 years and it will be equal to 480. So X 2 power 4 is equal to 16 is equal to 480. X is equal to 480 divided by 16, which will equal to 30. So actual amount will be 30. Question number 38. A school district is forming a committee to discuss plans for the construction of new high school. Of those invited to join this committee, 15% are parents of students, 45% are teachers from the current high school, 25% are school and district administrators, and the remaining 6 individuals are students. How many more teachers were invited to join the committee than school and district administration? The percentage of 6 individual students, the percentage of 6 individual students, because 6 individual students are given, so that's why we can find the percentage by subtracting these percentages from the total percentage. We can get the remaining percentage of 6 students is equal to, we have to subtract all the percentages from 100%. So 100 minus 15 minus 45 minus 25%. So it will be equal to 15%. The percentage of number of 6 individuals is 15%. Now we can find the total number of people who are invited by using the 15% of 6 students. So let total number of people invited is equal to X. Let total number of people invited is equal to X. So when we multiply 15% with the total number of people, we will get the number of 15% of total people is 6. So from here we can find the total number, which is X. So X is equal to 6 divided by 0.15, which is equal to 40. So I can say 40 people were invited to join the committee. So now we can find the number of, because we have the total number of people, now we can find all the percentages of teachers or the district administrators. We can find all the percentages into the number. We can find the number of teachers and number of people from district administration. So number of teachers from high school is equal to, because they are 45%, so we can write the 45 as 0.45% of the total number will be equal to 18. So 18 teachers were invited, and number of people from school and district administration they were 25% of the total number of people. So we can write down 0.25 multiplied by the total number of people, which will be equal to 10. So the difference of the number of teachers and the number of district administration is 8. So the difference of number of teachers and number of school and district administration is equal to 18 minus 10 is equal to 8. It means 8 more teachers were invited to join the committee than the administration staff.